Right then guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this type of Ford key. This one's off a Ford Kuga, but obviously if your key's the same as this, it'll be the same way. Also I'm going to show you where the spare key is, just in case your battery ever runs flat and you need to get into your vehicle. So yeah, let's take a look.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then, so this is our key. Now obviously it does have an internal battery. Some Ford keys don't. They have like a soldered in battery that you can replace, but it's a little bit more difficult. With these, all you're going to need is a new battery. Now the type of battery is a 2032. I think you see that on there. I will put everything down in the description, so if you want to just get it off eBay or something, but you can get these pretty much from anywhere that sells batteries. So 2032, I got this from my local Factors. So yeah, that's the battery. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this cover. So basically this is the cover that encloses the key in case your vehicle battery runs flat, and then obviously your central locking doesn't work. So what you do then is you remove this. So actually on these sides you'll see there's kind of this grippy part on the end of the key, both sides, and what you actually do is push the two sides in, and this will actually hinge out. You can see there now, you can get your nail behind it and you can just pull that out. So once you've removed that cover, that is your key. So you can see you can get your nail in there now and pull that out, and that is actually your key in case you get locked out of your vehicle. That is the actual same cut as what your ignition, obviously your door locks. I don't believe there is an ignition key on these vehicles because they're I think they're just a remote key. So what we got to do now is we actually have to split the key in half. So it seems a bit daunting, but it's actually really simple. Now what I like to do is take this obviously off out the way, and then I like to put a little screwdriver. There's a little gap here. Now you're not actually prying this apart. All you're trying to do is lever the casing away. So if I just hold that there now and just pry down, you can see there it just popped. And now there's a little bit of a gap between, so you can just go around with your screwdriver and just gently pop the casing open. And I'll do the same on the other side. Now that you've created that gap, you can just get it in there. It's being a bit tight. There we go. So once we got that, then you can just pull it apart. So there is your circuit board, obviously with your buttons. So put that aside, and then your back cover houses your battery. Now obviously make sure you take a note to which way round the battery is. So as you can see, the raised part or the curved part is towards the top. So I'm just going to take a screwdriver now and pop the battery out. Just there we go. You can get it underneath the battery here, and there we go. Now obviously if you look at the battery, you'll see it's got a curved side and obviously a sharp side. So the bottom, it's got the positive plus on it, so the positive goes to the bottom, and you can actually see inside your casing there's a little positive sign. So positive to positive. It's quite simple really. So we take our new battery, so you can get him out, and then obviously again positive to positive. So it just kind of, now you've got to remember when you put this battery in, you'll see there's this little wire contact. Now you don't want to put it in to this side first because it could bend these contacts. So what you got to do is put it in an angle so it pushes the contacts back and then slots into place, and then that textured side should be on the top. Then we can literally go ahead now and take our remote and just make sure there's little holes and pins. You just got to make sure they line up. So we just put that back together and just give it a firm snap. There we go. We'll insert our key back into its position, and then we take our new cover and it literally just clicks on. And that's it. It's that simple. So yeah, definitely don't pay somebody to do this, guys. You can do it yourself in literally, I say seconds, but probably safer to say minutes. But yeah, that's all you need is a little screwdriver and a new battery. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.